Today we're taking on an important yet overlooked home maintenance task, cleaning and servicing your air conditioner. This annual chore keeps your unit running efficiently, and by doing it yourself, you will save money and ensure it gets done right. In our video today, we'll share the top 10 tips for cleaning your AC condenser. Tip 10. You don't need to remove outer panels. While you do want to take the top of the unit off, you don't need to take the outer grill panels. This is extra work and doesn't provide any real value. If you have dirt under the panels, you should be able to get it out with the spray and a wet vacuum. No need to take the 4 panels off the unit. Tip number 9. Take your time to make note of which capacitor your machine uses. The capacitor is the most common part to fail, often right in the middle of a heat wave. HVAC companies love changing these out because a part is cheap and it's a quick job, and the general population doesn't know how easy it is to do. So every year technicians make a ton of money swapping these in and out. We have a video linked above that goes into detail of this process, but for this video's purpose, you just want to write down the microfarad rating, voltage rating, and terminal configuration. You want to know if it's a single run or dual run. All of these details should be found on the label of the capacitor inside your existing AC condenser. With this information, you can jump on Amazon and pick up a capacitor for $20 or $30 and buy a spare, so the next time your AC stops working, you can simply swap in a new capacitor and likely get it back up and running without having to sweat it out, waiting for Amazon to deliver you one in a day or two. Tip number 8. Use a wet dry vac so you can clean quickly. Before you start rinsing, use a wet dry vacuum to suck up the loose leaves, mulch, and debris from the base pan of the unit. This prevents all the gunk from soaking up water during the rinse and clogging the drain holes at the base of the unit. Tip number 7. Clean from the inside out. With the top of the AC removed, the best way to flush out dirt and debris is to spray water from the inside of the unit, aiming out through the fins. This pushes the dirt out the way it came in, rather than jamming it deeper into the coil. Tip number 6. Don't clean the coils with the wrong cleaner. Water alone is a great option for cleaning the average coil, though a specialized foaming coil cleaner, like the one seen in this video, does a great job too. These products expand to penetrate deep between the fins and break down stubborn grime. You can also use a product like Simple Green, but be careful not to just throw any type of cleaner at the coils. These are expensive parts, so make sure you're using the right liquid when cleaning your AC unit. Tip number 5. Disconnect power and confirm there's no power. Find your unit's disconnect box and pull the plug. But don't stop there. Go the extra mile by using a multimeter or voltage pen to test the connectors inside the unit to ensure absolutely no voltage is present. You can also be extra careful when you are taking the wire connectors off the capacitor by using insulated pliers and not touching anything with your bare hands. Tip number 4. Perform service annually during the nicest time of the year. Don't wait until it's 100 degrees outside or it's snowing. Pick a mild day in late spring or early fall when you don't need the unit running. Take the time to do a thorough job. You don't want to rush it. Tip number 3. Get a second set of hands to help remove the top. The fan motor and grate assembly can be surprisingly heavy and awkward. There are wires from the fan going to the components of the unit, and you don't want to accidentally sever them. Tip number 2. Take care not to blast too high of water pressure. The aluminum fins are incredibly delicate. Use a gentle to mild stream of water, not a powerful pressure washer, which can bend the fins, blocking airflow and reduce efficiency in the AC unit. Tip 1. Use a coil fin straightener if you have bent fins. If you do have bent fins, regardless of how they got there, you can get a fin comb. It's a cheap tool that slides along the coil's fins to gently restore them to their correct spacing. The increased airflow will surely be worth it with this very inexpensive tool. Well, that concludes our top 10 tips for cleaning an AC condenser. Do you think we missed something? We'd love to hear it in the comment section below. As mentioned earlier, we've linked all the items in the video description below. Which, by the way, if you click on one of those links and buy something, shortly after I might get a small kickback at no cost to you. Also, there's a way to help small creators like myself via the super thanks button below the video. And lastly, it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask you to hit the subscribe button. At least my pleading was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through that before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time.